I'm going to show you guys the process that I use to actually send hundreds of cold outreach emails every single day and how I make monthly revenue using this software GoHighLevel. This is the software that I use to actually get the emails, which is called ListKit. Shout out to Ravi for actually hooking me up with this. But so basically what it is I get a bunch of emails from this software called ListKit. Then I just import them into a Google Sheet, take out the rows that I don't need, and then I save that document, upload it to GoHighLevel, and then I just, import it as a CSV, and I add a tag so that they're automatically entered into the workflow. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I can actually filter out all the companies that I want. So let's do industries. I like to do roofing and restaurants. So I'm going to do industries. Let's do restaurants, and then we have a whole bunch right here. I might need to blur it out, I'm not sure, but these are a bunch of emails, and these are a bunch of contacts that I could possibly get by just searching restaurants. But of course I like to niche down a little bit more, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you guys how it actually looks when I import the file, and also how I put it into the Google Sheet. So it would be a sheet like this. For example, I would take out the date, but I would have the first name, the email, and the website. First name would be the business name, because in the email I use contact first name, which would be the business name, and I use that as an introduction. For example, business name, comma, and then I go straight into the pitch, into the email. And then email, of course, the email address, and then their website. I like to add the website just in case, because sometimes if they don't have a website, I'll actually have an automation where I pitch people with no websites, so I can actually build it for them. And then I have websites, which you don't really need. You just really need the first name or the business name and the email. So you just get these, you press file, you press download, and then download it as a CSV. Then you're gonna head over to GoHighLevel. So to import the contacts, I'm gonna press import right here. I'm gonna add the file. I'm gonna press next. So everything should be perfectly set up. Everything's pretty organized. I'm gonna press next, and you can change the import name. This is just a test account, so I really don't care. I'm gonna press check mark down here and then submit. Perfect, so they're all in the actual software now. Now that you have the emails and they're verified, now you need to actually import them into the automation. What you're going to do is, for example, let's click this one right here, Roof Tech. We're going to scroll down, we're gonna add the tag, and it's gonna be cold outreach website or whatever tag you want to add. So let's say you're reaching out to them because they don't have a website. I'm gonna add this tag, cold outreach website, and as soon as I add this tag, they're gonna be imported into the automation, which I'm going to show you how to create right now. Alright, so going into the automation, here's exactly how it looks. I'm going to show you exactly how I built it. So trigger, as soon as the tag is added, for example, this is my main account. So I have the tag cold outreach, no website roofing, me, because I have two people that are actually helping me with cold emails, and I like to separate them to see, who actually got what and how I can split the revenue and all that stuff. But let's say tag added, me, save trigger. As soon as the tag is added, I'm gonna wait 1 minute. And I just add the wait so I can make sure it's Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. You can even push it a little bit more into early afternoon, but me personally, I like the morning, so I'm just gonna leave that. And then after that, I send the first email, which you can create actually different variations. For example, me in this outreach automation, I have 8, I believe. See, it goes all the way down. I just copy and pasted it down. I'll show you. I have 8 emails until I actually kick them out the workflow if they don't respond or anything. So after the first email is sent, I'm gonna wait 1 day, and I'm gonna have a condition. So if the contact says stop, unsubscribe, or just responds negatively, they're gonna be put into this workflow right here. They're gonna have the tag added outreach unsubscribe. I'm gonna get a notification saying that they responded negatively. This notification is gonna be on my phone. I'm gonna change their engagement score so I know to delete them afterwards, because I like to filter it and then delete them from the workflow after like 60 days or so. So that's that. And if they reply, I'm gonna add the tag cold outreach reply. I'm gonna have an internal notification once again to my phone, and it's gonna say you have a reply. And I'm just gonna wait 50 days because I wanna make sure that I reply to them and that I don't miss out. And then D&D on. This is if they have do not disturb on, because it is an email list and you need to have the unsubscribe button at the bottom. I'm gonna have the add tag outreach unsubscribe, remove the original tag, modify engagement score -99, and remove them from the whole workflow. The same thing as them saying stop or unsubscribe. And then yeah, pretty much it's the same thing from there, except I'm gonna change the wait periods. So after the first email, I'm waiting 1 day. After the second email, I'm waiting 2 days. After the third email, I'm waiting 3 days. And I just keep adding it on until it's a 1 week, which is how I got the 8th email. And after the 8th email, if they don't respond, or if they don't even unsubscribe, if they don't do anything, then I'm just gonna kick them out the workflow because they're useless. They're not giving me what I want, which is a yes or a no. Which is your goal as a cold outreacher to actually qualify them if they want it or if they not as quickly as possible so you can move on to the next batch of people. So you really just need to create one of these. So for example, one email, one condition. Once you have that, you're just gonna copy and paste the condition, press copy, copy all actions from here, and then you're gonna just want to paste it under the wait period for the contact no reply. And then you just keep doing it until you have, as many as you want. Me, I just like to go up to 8 emails. So pretty much mine is about almost a month that I'm reaching out to them every week or so, or every couple of days until I actually receive a response. So yeah, that's how I do my cold outreach. Let me know how you do it and what you think I should do to modify mine to make it even better than it is right now. And once again, of course, I do have different domains. I have different emails connected to these accounts. So I have different domains outreaching to different niches. What I do is roofing and restaurants, but I offer 3 different things to them. So I'm going to have one domain offer restaurants missed call text back, one offer restaurants, a website, and then the other one offer restaurants online reputation management. So I'm going to have those 3 things for that, and then I have them for roofing as well. So I have a bunch of domains because your goal when doing SaaS is basically sales. You need to get as many people as you can to qualify for your service. And automating your emails is definitely going to help you so much with cold outreach, especially if you have a bunch of domains and you just, add the emails into the software, you add the tag, and it's already being done for you. You get a notification if they unsubscribe or if they reply. Like, it's so simple, it's so easy. You definitely need to try this out. You can actually get this automation using the affiliate link below for GoHighLevel. You get 30 days free and it'll help me out. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I gave you a bunch of value and I'll see you in the next one.